Is your diabetes holding you back from living life to the fullest? Do you go to the doctor, and come home with more prescriptions than you left with? Are you frustrated with fluctuating blood pressures and cholesterol rates due to your diabetes? Do you check your blood sugar level 3 or more times a day by pricking your finger? Are you tired of giving yourself daily insulin injections? Do your legs feel weak and heavy most of the time? Are you overweight, depressed, and watching everything that you eat and drink? If yes is the answer to the questions, then you are in the right spot. Doctors have learned that our blood needs sufficient mineral consumption to survive. If these minerals are not supplied by our diet, our body is forced to take from other body fluids to give to our blood. This in turn causes the fluids that have been removed from the body to become acidic, therefore anaerobic. Following the program step by step, the Diabetes Miracle Breakthrough will cure your diabetes now. The Diabetes Miracle Breakthrough is 100% natural. With this plan, never again hear the doctors say, "This is the way it's going to be for the rest of your life and there is no cure." You can finally free yourself of diabetes forever. The body can gradually start to produce its own insulin again. Blood sugar levels will return back to normal. The plan will decrease the pain and suffering caused by diabetes. There will be no more worries about losing your eyesight, having a stroke, obesity, organ failure, impotence, and heart disease. To learn more about curing diabetes forever and increasing the quality of your life, the Diabetes Miracle Breakthrough is what you need to make sure that your body will function properly for a long time. Start living healthy as soon as possible. Starting now will help the body fight off symptoms of many illnesses and diseases. Some factors that can lead to an early onset of diabetes include a poor diet. Some diseases are hereditary, and you can still be at risk. By keeping healthy, you are helping your body to be able to control the symptoms when they onset. Break free from this debilitating diabetes and invest in your happiness and well-being. Don't wait until your diabetes is completely out of control. Yolanda Jones has been in the medical field for over 25 years. If you are desperate to cure your diabetes, then you need the Diabetes Miracle Breakthrough. I guarantee within 7 days your diabetes symptoms will disappear for good, with this remedy in your medicine cabinet. Learn how to cure your diabetes here.